Most homeowners think home equity equals safety. But here's the truth. If all your wealth is trapped inside your walls, you've just handed the IRS a silent partnership in your future. The wealthy know better. They never keep their equity sitting idle in a house. Instead, they separate it, protect it, and put it to work in a way that grows tax-free, shields against any market crashes, and keeps Uncle Sam locked up. In this video, I'm going to show you 19 reasons the wealthy play this game differently, and why following traditional advice can quietly cost you 6 or even 7 figures. And when you see reason number 19, you'll understand why even banks use this exact same strategy to build billions, while most homeowners are unknowingly building the wealth for the IRS. So here's what you're about to discover in the next few minutes. Why a house full of equity is actually one of the weakest places to store wealth, and how the wealthy flip it into a liquid, protected asset. How separating your equity creates what I call the triple unfair advantage. Liquidity you can use today, protection from lawsuits and market downturns, and growth that compounds completely tax-free. The little-known IRS rules that make this possible, used by banks and Fortune 500 CEOs quietly every year. And all 19 reasons the wealthy never keep equity locked inside their homes. So if you ever felt like the retirement system was designed to keep you stuck, while the wealthy always seem to find a way around it, this breakdown is going to connect the dots in a way you've never seen before. Since 2017, my team at Black Swan Insurance has helped over 20,000 families protect their wealth and build tax-free retirement strategies, backed by hundreds of 5-star reviews. And after reviewing thousands of plans, I've seen the same pattern. When equity stays trapped in a home, people lose flexibility, lose liquidity, and sometimes lose everything. But when it's separated and structured the right way, it becomes what I call a tax-free wealth engine, liquid, protected, and out of the reach from the IRS. And that's exactly what we are unpacking today. The 19 reasons the wealthy never leave equity sitting idle in their homes. Think about Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, one of the most trusted investors on the planet. He didn't build his fortune by letting money sit idle. He built it by making every dollar work. Buffett warns, if you're sitting on cash, you're going to get eaten alive by inflation. And that's exactly what happens when equity just sits in your walls. It earns nothing while the cost of everything around you keeps climbing. The wealthy don't see a paid-off house as safety. They see it as a frozen capital. Because trapped equity cannot protect you in a crash, cannot shield you from the IRS, and cannot give you the liquidity you'll need when life blindsides you. That's why today we're breaking down 19 reasons the wealthy never leave their equity sitting idle. And it all starts with the first pillar, the 4 reasons tied to one word, liquidity. Reason number 1, liquidity. Emergencies don't wait for you to tap your equity. Picture this. You're standing in a burning house, but your fire extinguisher is locked in a vault. Can it help you? Probably not. And that's how useless home equity is when it's not liquid. The wealthy understand that when the chaos strikes, the ability to move fast is power. In 2008, people who had cash had options. Those who didn't were at the mercy of banks. Liquidity isn't just convenience, it's survival. That's why it's important to leave equity sealed behind drywall. Reason number 2, peace of mind. Sleep comes easy when you know your money can move. The wealthy don't stare at bricks hoping they'll save them. They keep their capital just a phone call away. Imagine having the ability to move $500,000 in 48 hours, not locked behind mortgage rules or paperwork delays. That's a financial peace of mind. And ironically, the house that's paid off can become the biggest source of stress in a financial emergency. Reason number 3, the missed opportunity trap. In 2008, I watched families who had poured every spare dollar into paying down their mortgage feel safe until the crash hit. Home values collapsed, layoffs spread, and suddenly their wealth was frozen in the drywall. They couldn't access it when they needed it the most. Meanwhile, the wealthy, with their equity separated and liquid, weren't panicking. They were negotiating with banks and buying properties at fire sale prices. Liquidity isn't just a safety net, it's leverage. And without it, you don't just risk losing security. You risk missing the once-in-a-decade opportunities that create real wealth. Reason number 4, a house is for living, not storing cash. Think of your house like a refrigerator. It's built to preserve, not to produce. If you put your cash in the walls, it just sits there. The wealthy see homes as shelters, not savings accounts. Your cash should be in a vehicle that earns, compounds, and protects, not trapped earning 0% behind bricks. They don't confuse real estate with a bank account, and neither should you. Now that your equity is liquid, the next move is to protect it from lawsuits, from market crashes, from title theft, and that's what we'll cover next. Reason number 5, protection from market crashes. Every 7 to 10 years, real estate takes a hit. I've seen homes drop 30% in value almost overnight back in 2008. And when that happens, trapped equity rides the crash all the way down. It's like riding a roller coaster with no seatbelt. But the wealthy, they reroute their equity into financial vehicles that come with a 0% floor. When the market crashes, their money stays put. No free fall, no whiplash. That's why they call zero the new hero. Reason number 6, lawsuit protection. We live in a lawsuit-happy world. One wrong move and you're in court. Trial lawyers don't chase broke people. They chase visible equity. The wealthier you look on paper, the more you attract legal headaches. That's why the wealthy keep their homes fully leveraged and their equity tucked away in protected accounts. They know the safest money is the money no one else can see. Reason number 7, title theft protection. Ever heard of a title theft? It's real and it's growing. Thieves target properties that are paid off or nearly so because they're ripe for fraud. The wealthy sidestep this entirely by keeping their homes mortgaged and their real wealth protected elsewhere. No equity in the walls means nothing to steal. It's like leaving your car with the doors locked and nothing inside. Reason number 8, creditor protection. In states like Florida and Texas, there's a legal fortress around the right kind of financial accounts, especially if they're structured properly through insurance. That means separated equity inside a tax-advantaged vehicle isn't just growing, it's shielded. Imagine getting sued and the judge can't touch a penny of what you built. That's how the wealthy play defense, quietly, legally, and effectively. By the way, if you want the fast, personalized answers based on your income, age, and financial goals, we built something just for you. It's called IUL Custom GPT, a free AI-powered assistant that answers all your retirement questions 24/7. It's like having the smartest IUL strategist in your pocket without needing a financial degree. You can try it anytime during or after this video. The link is right below. And no, Warren Buffett doesn't text back at 2 a.m. when you got a question, but this tool does. Now that your equity is protected, let's talk about how to make it multiply. Reason number 9, make equity earn. Trapped equity is like a retired athlete who still has years of peak performance left just sitting on a bench. The wealthy don't let money rest. They deploy it. While your home's value might rise over time, the equity inside doesn't compound. It just sits idle. But when separated into properly structured policy, it starts working for you, earning interest and growing tax deferred. This is how the wealthy turn stagnant walls into a compounding engine. They don't let equity gather dust. They let it gather momentum. Reason number 10, beat opportunity cost. Every dollar that sits idle is a dollar that could have grown. Think about it. If your mortgage costs you 4% and your equity could earn 7% elsewhere, you're giving up a 3% profit just for the illusion of safety. And that 3% spread adds up fast. Over 20 years, that's not thousands. It could be hundreds of thousands. The wealthy don't trade growth for optics. They let math, not emotion, guide their decision. Reason number 11, smarter than payoff. Prepaying your mortgage may feel satisfying, but it's financial junk food. It feels good at the moment, but it's not nutritious long-term. The wealthy understand the power of compounding. They reroute those extra payments into a vehicle that grows, multiplies, and eventually give them the option to pay off the loan in full, with interest-earned dollars, not out-of-pocket ones. They don't dig deeper in a hole just to fill it back up. They build a ladder to rise above it. Reason number 12, become your own banker. Banks don't get rich holding money. They get rich lending it. The wealthy reverse engineer the same playbook, and instead of begging for loans, they create their own banking system, one that lets them borrow at 5%, earn at 8%, and keep the difference. They don't knock on the bank's door. They own the building. Reason number 13, leverage plus liquidity combo. Most people think you have to choose. Do I want safety or do I want growth? The wealthy say, why not both? Separated equity gives you leverage to control assets and liquidity to fund opportunities, all while your money stays protected and compound. It's like having your cake, eating it, and feeding your future generations too. That is the real definition of financial flexibility. So far, you've seen how the wealthy create access, protection, and growth, but none of that matters if taxes got your gains. That's why the next reasons focus on eliminating the IRS from your retirement. Reason number 14, eliminate taxable retirement risk. Imagine spending 30 years building your nest egg, only to find out the IRS gets first dibs. That's the reality for most high-income professionals with 401ks and IRAs. The wealthy avoid this trap by building income streams the IRS cannot touch. They don't guess where future tax rates will be. They just opt out entirely. When your retirement is funded with tax-free dollars, every market gain is yours to keep, not split with Uncle Sam. That's not wishful thinking. That's a smart strategy. Reason number 15, beat the tax bracket myth. You've been told you'll be in a lower tax bracket when you retire. But here's what nobody tells you. In retirement, you lose your biggest deduction. No more mortgage interest, no more dependent credits, and no business write-offs. Many retirees actually land in the same or higher tax brackets with less income. The wealthy don't want to find out. They proactively reposition assets into vehicles that grow tax-free and pay taxes once, not forever. Reason number 16, control your retirement income. Traditional retirement accounts are like time bombs with the IRS holding the detonator. You don't control the tax rates. You don't control the withdrawal timing. You don't even control how much you keep. The wealthy use structures that let them decide when, how, and how much to access, with zero required minimum distribution. That's real retirement freedom. Income on your own terms, not the government. Reason number 17, tax-free legacy plan. There's a silent threat few people plan for. What happens to your money when you're gone? Traditional accounts saddle their heirs with taxes and force them to withdraw in just 10 years. That means your life savings get hit with a double tax sucker punch. But when structured properly, your equity can pass tax-free, grow tax-free, and bless your family, not burden them. The wealthy plan for 2 generations ahead, not just the next quarterly statement. Now you've seen how to unlock equity, protect it, grow it, and shelter it from tax. But there is still one final reason the wealthy do this that ties it all together. And it might be the most important one of all. Reason number 18, take control back. Here's what most people don't realize. The traditional financial system is built to control you. Banks, Wall Street, and the IRS each take a slice. And you're left hoping there's enough left over. The wealthy flip that script. They create systems where they choose when to access money, how it's taxed or not, and where it grows. They don't ask for permission. They operate with autonomy. Taking control isn't just about money. It's about peace of mind, confidence, and sleeping at night knowing your financial future is self-directed, not government dictated. Reason number 19, peace of mind for life and death. When your wealth is liquid, protected, compounding, and tax-free, something powerful happens. You stop worrying. You stop chasing market returns. You stop fearing taxes or medical emergencies or what happens if you live to 100. You finally get to live. I had a client, a 48-year-old executive, and he told me, for the first time, I feel like I'm building something that won't disappear. And that's what this strategy gives you. Not just numbers on paper, but emotional freedom. So if you ever wonder how the wealthy always seem to play by different rules, now you know. They don't get lucky. They get structured. And now you can too. Which is why we built something to help you take the next step. If you want to find out how much untapped equity you're sitting on and how to legally separate, protect, and grow it tax-free, book a free tax-free wealth strategy session using the link below. Or if you're not ready just yet, watch our next video where we can break down exactly how to max fund an IUL, the same IRS compliance structure used by the wealthy to turn every dollar into a compounding tax-free income stream. We'll show you how it works step by step. The wealthy didn't retire tax-free by accident. They planned it. Now you can too. And just remember, it's not what you earn, it's what you keep. Enjoy the ride.